channel, Bella's Beauty. If you guys are new to my channel, welcome. So Valentine's Day is tomorrow, and I did this look yesterday, and I wasn't gonna record it because I was like, I'm just gonna post my pictures or whatever, but you guys love this look so much that you kind of convinced me to make a video about it, so here we go. So if you guys are new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe so you won't miss what's next on my channel. And if you guys are returning subscribers, keep watch to see how we get this really cute extra pink Valentine's Day look. So I'm going to start with my Overachiever Huda Beauty Concealer. I'm going to use that with the BH Cosmetics brush and create my base. Just want to blend that out all the way up to the eyebrow. I think I set this a little bit with some powder. After that, I'm going to take this double-sided brush from my Modern Rim palette, and I'm going to dip into this bright pink color from my Rose All Day palette. I'm going to use this as a base for my entire eyelid. Next, I'm going to use this brown color, and I'm going to fan the eyeshadow out, or wing it out, I guess. And I'm using this color to create some depth and definition to this pink. After that, I'm going to use this light pink shade from my Rose All Day palette. I'm going to use that as kind of like my gradient color. After that, I'm going to dip back into the 35B palette from Morphe, and I'm going to use this purple color to create a darker crease. Dipping back into that concealer, I'm going to cut my crease using this crown brush, flat brush. I'm going to create like a half cut crease. I'm not going to wing it all the way out. Alright, using this gold color as the first color of our gradient, then going into this bright pink. I'm going to finish it off with the purple from the 35B palette to complete the bottom part. Next, I'm going to use this hot pink glitter from Joann's and my Mario Badescu spray, and I'm going to put the glitter on top of that bright pink color. I'm going to create a little baby liner. It's not going to be a wing. I'm just kind of defining my eyelashes, or my lash line, I guess. And I'm going to tightline using a chubby stick from Sephora collection. Now this, I'm using my Silver Beauty Hydra Liner, and I'm creating that kind of opposite wing, whatever you want to call it. That little spot's going to be covered up by some glitter, so don't even worry about it. Take my Candeo Love glitter, and I'm going to put that in the inner corner of my eye. I'm going to go into my eyebrows now. I'm using Dip Brow Pommade in the color Ebony. I've done my eyebrows the same way for the past I don't know how long. These are Grateful Lashes from Faithfully Meek Lashes. You guys already know. These lashes kind of complete the look. They're a little extra, but I kind of like that. Next, I'm going to set my under eye and kind of prep for our under eye shadow. I'm going to use that bright pink shade from the Rose All Day palette to complete the wing, and I'm going to blend it out so it matches. Next, I'm going to take this glittery pink from the Rose All Day palette and use that as my under eye highlight. Make sure I blend all those colors out. I'm going to take my primerizer and coconut dewdrops, or rose gold dewdrops, and I'm going to use that as my primer. I usually don't use primer, but I kind of wanted that kind of glowy dewy look, so I use this. This is my Naturally Radiant foundation in the color Syracuse. I thought this was the best foundation for this look because it is full coverage, but it don't make you look crusty. Next, I'm going to contour my face. This is my Make No Mistake Concealer Foundation. You guys already know. I'm going to blend that out, and then I'm going to set it with my Sephora MicroSmooth powder. I'm going to take my trusty dusty Black Radiance contour kit. I think this is the color light to medium. I'm going to just use that to define my contours. I'm going to go to my blush balm from Karity. I'm going to put a whole bunch of blush on. After that, I'm going to blend it out with the same MicroSmooth powder because that was doing a lot. For my highlight today, I'm dipping into my Zulu palette, this pretty pink color.
pink was the theme here, so we had to stick with it. I'm going to take this brown purpley shade from NYX and use that as my liner today and go on top of it with a nude in All Night Long from Karity. I didn't show this on camera, but I did put a slight lip gloss. It was just a clear gloss on top to give me that shine. And last but not least, I'm going to set with my Cover FX High Performance Setting Powder. Setting spray.
And that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this week's tutorial from start to finish. Guys, make sure you leave me comments down below. Of course, I'm going to link all the products used as best I can. And as usual, keep watching for the next video.